Morning, Cath. Hey, Fiona.
Cath walks into her workplace and then sits down at her desk. She says good morning to Simon.
Good morning.
They talked about the weekend.
I went to water skiing.
Staring at a stapler, clicking on a click pen, thinking about the sandwich Cath is gonna have for lunch. Then she dropped a pen and wrote underneath the copier, hope she gets it back or she'll have to get a new one. Now Cath needs a new pen. Get a Clicky blue one. Catherine, sandwich, weekend, Simon. Cath went to visit Fiona, cause she's in charge of the pens. Explain her pen situation.
I lost it.
Then she gave Cath a new pen. Cath just got a new pen. It's a Clicky blue one. Fiona, situation, Clicky, new pen. Cath got a